What's up, guys? Steve here for Car Break NL, back for the last break of the night. We're all paid up and ready to roll. This is our second jersey break. Good luck. Live. Here we go. It is 11:02. John, down to Tony, Anaheim to Winnipeg. Let's go. 28 teams, 28 spots. 2, 3, and timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 11:02. 11:02. Last and final. Last and final. 4th timestamp there says 11:03 and 11:03 it is. So let's copy these over. Nashville at the top spot to Chicago at the halfway mark. We just had Chicago nail a big jersey there last break. I wonder if there's any mojo left for them. We got Colorado to the Rangers. There's your teams. Let's match up some names. It's still 11:03, and we got John to Tony. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3 is at 11:03. 11:03, last and final, folks. Last and final on the whole break is at 11:03, and 11:03 it is. Ron, the top spot, down to Allen at the halfway mark. And we got Patrick to Justin. Here's your teams, folks. We'll post them in the comments. We will see you in 5 minutes for the break. Best of luck.